Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to TechNexa. I hope you're all doing well, all fine. Today is my very important video, which is actually for those who want to learn web development and want to be a perfect and an expert web developer by not by WordPress, by HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So this tutorial for them, because today I'm gonna just tell them the 5 best and the top channels on YouTube that can provide you a valuable and worthy content about web development and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So now number 1 is Code with Harry. This is my favorite channel. It has 4.56 million subscribers and 2.1k videos, which is a lot. So he has videos on actually about all the aspects of web development, app development and everything. But in web development, he's the master of web development, and he will provide you very good lectures and videos and courses on web development. Like right now he has just uploaded a video 1 hour ago. He's an active YouTuber. He just told about code tag and more on HTML. So he's actually giving a website development course, so you can take this course as soon as possible, which is actually valuable. Whenever I just learned from this channel, I learned a lot, so this is good for you. So and the number 2 is Programming with Mosh. This is also very good channel to learn web development with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, like these JavaScript video. And if you just search over here, you will get a plenty of website videos about JavaScript, like JavaScript, and over here you can see JavaScript tutorials, what is JavaScript, and a lot of other, this is a complete course and tutorial which contains 21 videos. So without paying any single penny on any other platform, you can use YouTube and this channel to learn programming in a great way. And number 3 is Coding Nepal. This is also it has 205k subscribers and 357 videos, and they also provide you coding skills, and you can learn a lot about web development and HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And it will also tell you that how to make a website responsive and different. It has also a lot of different projects related to HTML, CSS, and also they created a lot of clones on Netflix and other top websites, right, platforms. And number 4 is Web Dev Simplified. This is also a very great channel to learn web development, and as its name says that web dev, so it is actually made for web dev and a lot of other platforms like Node.js, React.js and a lot of other things. So it is 1.4 million subscribers, 638 videos, which is a lot. So you can learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript from this, SQL, CSS positions, promises, JSON, and you can see plenty of videos which are going to help you in your web development journey. And number 5 is JavaScript Mastery, actually JavaScript Mastery. It has 712k subscribers and 111 videos. And this channel is actually specially made for JavaScript. So you will get all the videos related to JavaScript and JavaScript packages and JavaScript modules and different platforms of JavaScript like React.js, Node.js, and backend and frontend and a lot of other things. So this is also a great way to learn web development and JavaScript from here. And this is it, and thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about these channels and platforms, you can subscribe our channel and comment for